Okay, so now I'm going to show you what a combustion reaction will look like and how to balance it. So here we have C3H8, also known as propane, plus oxygen gas. Remember, oxygen is diatomic, so that's why we got to put that little 2 there, producing carbon dioxide and H2O. Remember, combustion reactions are always some sort of hydrocarbon reacting with oxygen and forming carbon dioxide and water. All right, so in this question here, we're going to start by once again listing all of our individual elements that are here. So that is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. We have 3 carbons on the reactant side, 8 hydrogens and 2 oxygens. Then now we have 1 carbon on the product side, 2 oxygens, 2 hydrogens, and 1 more oxygen. Now remember, these oxygens are in different molecules, so we're going to keep them separated. Yes, there are 3 oxygens all together, but they are in the form of 2 plus 1. So we want to keep them in the form of 2 plus 1. So we can start by balancing our carbons. They look like the easiest one. Remember, we always want to leave the oxygens to the end. It usually works out once we fix the other elements in the other molecules. Most of the times the oxygens will get fixed themselves. All right, so here we have 3 carbons on the reactant side. We have to make it equal on the product side. We're going to multiply this side here by 3. And that 3 is now going to become the coefficient right in front of my carbon dioxide, because that is the molecule that has the carbon. Now that's also going to modify how many oxygens I have. I don't have 2 oxygens in this molecule anymore. Now we have 3 times 2, which will make it 6. So let's go ahead and fix that to 6. So now we have a total of 7 oxygens in my product. So now that we have fixed our carbons, we can go on and fix our hydrogens. So we see that here in our hydrogens, we have 8 hydrogens on the reactant side. We have to make it equal in the product side. So we're going to multiply this side here by 4. That 4 is now going to go in front of my molecule that has the hydrogen. So in this case, it's my water molecule, my H2O, dihydrogen monoxide. So that's also going to modify how many oxygens we have. So we don't have 1 oxygen in this molecule anymore. Now we have a total of 4 oxygens. Okay, so that gives me with a total of 6 plus 4. That's going to make it equal to 10 oxygens in my product side. Now we can go and modify my oxygens in my reactant side, which we're going to have to multiply by 5. And that 5 is going to go as a coefficient in front of my oxygen. All right, so that's now going to give me 10 oxygens in my product, in my reactant side, 10 oxygens in my product side. My equation is balanced. I hope that helps. And remember, this is a combustion reaction where we have a hydrocarbon reacting with oxygen and forming carbon dioxide and water.